Lily, what do you want to say for your daddy?
I say thank you.
You want to say thank you? Okay, you want to say Happy Father's Day?
Happy birthday.
Say love you, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
You got camera?
Eva.
Okay, how about you show Daddy how you do your faces? Princess was sad. Princess was happy. Princess was sleepy. Princess was angry. Princess was crying. Princess was laughing. Princess was tired. Princess was sad. She was happy. Princess was sleepy. She was awake. Princess said, I love you, Daddy.
No.
No?
How about laughing?
Princess was laughing.
Ha.
She was crying. She was mad. Mad. Okay, thank you, Lily. Can you say I love you, Daddy?
No.
Why?
How about tired?
Princess was tired. Is that your tired face? Okay, how about bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy Father's Day.